Hi, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate here in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my NWO real estate update is the first signs of a changing market here in Northwest Ohio. Number one, what I mean by signs are tips, tells, warnings. If you're a poker player, you know what those are. That when you or I see them, you will know that the long-running seller's market is shifting into more of a balanced or buyer's market. Here they are. A, spray and pray offers are suddenly working. These offers are now received by me on almost all of my listings. A home in town for $270, just got one today for $117,000 cash. That's funny, isn't it? Sure. But they have been increasing. The pace of these offers coming in is increasing. And sometimes soon a seller's going to take one if they're desperate enough. I am a believer that if these investors are doing the work and the effort to make hundreds of these offers a day in Ohio, and I know who's making them, they must pull some money in from them. They work. B, broker open houses. The seller cannot sell. Their price is wrong. They have a weak agent who will not tell them that. They ask and demand that the listing agent hold a broker open over expensive and MLS priced house, because if enough agents come through and try to win a gift card and get free lunch, well, that will result in a sale. This is a strong tip that the winds are changing when I see more broker opens. Letter C, more open houses on weekends, on Fridays, on Saturdays, on Sundays. Again, this is a panacea that some agents who do not know how to price a home or are not strong enough to price a home correctly use to placate their clients. Letter D, more real estate signs. You know, they're still hard to find now, but when you see 3 or 5 or 10 in a neighborhood that used to have 1 or 2, then the month's supply of inventory number is changing, it's going higher. I've covered this before in a previous video. Letter E, creative financing terms being offered. I got asked today by an agent, hey, would your seller finance the house? This is the last sign, a sign of desperation. And if you see these, it does not mean that your house is cratering in value, your house is worthless, and has a negative net value. Now we have to throw it out in the trash. It simply means that the Northwest Ohio residential market is shifting from one where 10 buyers fought for every house to now where 10 houses are fighting for a couple of buyers. Houses are not perishable, and any house can be sold when we find the clearing price, the current market value. But these signs are things to be aware of, noting that every house has to be marketed correctly, priced correctly, prepared perfectly, and then negotiated expertly. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing, and it never stops. We are doing things today in marketing and selling homes that were impossible 20 or 30 years ago. So my team is always changing too, and ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. This tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical and financial concepts like always tell the truth and treat others better than you would want to be treated. And we can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. So thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have real estate questions, if you want to sell or buy, if you just want to talk or ask me a question, just call John. I'm at 419-466-sold.com. You can find me on modene.com and every home for sale in Toledo at mlstoledo.com. Thanks.